Good morning students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Leena. So as you all know, I am uploading videos on previous year questions of IIT JAM. Today we will discuss some questions on matrices. So the question is, consider the 2 by 2 matrix M. It's a matrix of order 2. If the eighth power of M satisfies M raised to power 8 raised to power 8 1 0 vector is equal to xy vector, then the value of x is, you have to find the value of x out of these four. So what will we do? We have to find M8. So our M is 1 1 1 0. We have to find M8. So what will we do? First of all, we will find M square. M square is equal to mm 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. So it will give us 1 into 1 1 into 1 2 1 1 0 on multiplying, right? Next you have M4. So M4 will be M square into M square. So this will be equal to 2 1 1 0 2 1 1 0, which is equal to 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, 2 2 2 1 the 1 and then 0 2, then 1 into 2 2 and 1 into 1 is 1. Again we will find M8. M8, this is equal to M4 into M4. So which is equal to, this is M332. Some mistake is there. Here it is 1 2 1 1 1. Okay. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. And here you will get 5 3 3 2. 5 3 3 and 2. All of you are aware of multiplication of the matrices. So we will get this M4. Now what we have, 5 3 3 2, then again 5 3 3 2. So multiply this first row with first column, first row with second column, second row with first column, second row with second column. So what we will get, we will get the matrix as 34, 21. We will get 34, 21, 21, 13, 21, 13. This is our M8. Now we have M8 into 10. This is equal to XY. So just put the value of M8. So what you will get? 34, 21 first column, 21, 13 second column, multiply with the vector 1, 0, which is equal to XY. Now multiply these two. So what will we get? 34 into 1, 21 into 0, 34. 21 into 1, 13 into 0, 21, which is equal to XY. So the value of X, it comes out to be 34. So the answer is 34. So in this way we have to solve the question. Next we have to find the rank of the matrix of order 4 by 6 whose entries are given by this. Then which one is the correct answer? Now we are given a matrix A. So rank of this A is equal to this thing, a matrix of order 4 by 6. So rank of A this is equal to minimum of 4 into 6. Minimum of 4 into 6. So minimum of 4 into 6 is 4. So what will we do? We will take up one minor of order 4 and solve it, and if it comes out to be 0, then rank of this matrix will be 4. So I am taking the matrix as this one. You can take any of the matrix. So I am taking this matrix. So the matrix is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So I will expand by the first row. So I will get 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So just expand this. So 1, it will give you by first row by R1 we are expanding. So 0 into 1, 0 minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2, which is not equal to 0. So this implies the minor of order 4 is non-zero. That's why rank of the matrix A, this is 4. So 4 is the right answer. Next you have consider the system of linear equations. where x, y, z, t are variables, mu is a constant, then which one of the following is true? He says mu is equal to 1 when system has a unique solution, mu is equal to 2 when system has infinitely many solutions, mu is equal to 1 when system has infinitely many solutions, and mu is equal to 2 when system has unique solution. So two types of solution he is discussing. We have a non-homogeneous system of equations. Non-homogeneous system of equations has a unique solution if rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, which is equal to number of unknowns. And this system has infinitely many solutions if rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix, which is less than number of unknowns. Now we will solve it out and see what will be the situation. So let us write down the augmented matrix. So augmented matrix is 1 1 0 1, 1 1 0 1, coefficients of x, y, z and t 4, then we have 2 0 0 minus 4, 2 0 0 minus 4, 7 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0, 5 and 1 minus 3 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 10 mu. So this is the augmented matrix AB. So what will we do? We will apply Gauss elimination method over it. So first of all we will make 2, 1 and 1 as 0. So what will we apply? We will apply R2 minus 2R1, R3 minus R1, R4 minus R1. So what will we get? We will get the matrix as 1 1 0 1 4, R2 minus 2R1. So this will give you 0 0 minus 0 minus 2 times 1 minus 2, 0 minus 4 minus 2 times 1 minus 6, 7 minus 2 times 4, 8 minus 1. Then 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 5 minus 4 1. Then 1 minus 1 0, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 11, mu minus 4. Mu minus 4. Clear? Now again I apply R2 minus 1 by 2 of R2. So minus 1 by 2 of R2 will give me 1 1 0 1 4 0 1 0 3 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 1 0 minus 4 minus 1 minus 11 mu minus 4. Clear? Now I apply R4 plus 4R2. Clear? And solve it out. So what I will get? I will get the matrix as 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 3 4 minus 1 4 minus 1 by 2 0 0 0 0 1 minus 1 1 and 0 0 minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1 mu minus 2. Again I apply R4 plus R3. So what will I get? I will get the result as 1 1 0 1 4 0 1 0 3 minus 1 by 2 0 0 1 minus 1 1 and 0 0 0 0 mu minus 1. Clear? Now this is our matrix A. So rank of A you can see is this, it has 3 rows and 4 columns. So rank of this matrix is 3. Rank of augmented matrix, it will be 3 if mu minus 1 is equal to 0. So two cases are there, either mu minus 1 is equal to 1 or mu minus 1 is not equal to 1. Now if mu is equal to 1, in this case rank of A, which is equal to rank of augmented matrix, which is equal to 4 and which is less than number of unknowns. Number of unknowns are 4 and rank is, you will find its rank as 3. So this system has infinitely many solutions. You can take a minor of order 3 and it will come out to be non-zero. So infinite solution. So for mu is equal to 1, this system has infinite solution. Now if mu is not equal to 1, then you can see that rank of A is equal to rank of augmented is not equal to rank of augmented matrix. So that is not the case. So only case is mu is equal to 1. So the answer is mu is equal to 1. Next you have P is a 3 by 3 real matrix having eigenvalues mu is equal to mu1 is equal to 0, mu2 is equal to 1, mu3 is equal to minus 1 and eigenvectors are u, v and w corresponding to the eigenvalues mu1, mu2, mu3. Then entries in the first row and third column of P is, you have to find the entry of first column and third row. So what will we do? We are given a matrix P we are given its eigenvalues, we are given its eigenvectors. Now because eigenvalues are real and distinct, this implies that matrix P is diagonalizable. So we will use the concept of diagonalization. So because eigenvalues are real and distinct, this implies P is diagonalizable. D is diagonalizable. And from the eigenvectors, what will we do? We will make the model matrix. So model matrix is A, which contains first eigenvector, second eigenvector and third eigenvector. And diagonalizable, if matrix is diagonalizable, so diagonal entries will be eigenvalues 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, -1. Clear? So eigenvalues, those are 0, 1, -1, and with the help of eigenvectors we have made one model matrix. Now as P is diagonalizable, so by definition we know that P inverse AP, this is equal to D. P inverse AP this is A inverse PA. A inverse A inverse PA is equal to D. Clear? You can find A inverse. So you can find A inverse by adjoint of A, by determinant of A, or by Gauss-Jordan method. This I have discussed in one of the video. You can check it over there. So we have A inverse PA is equal to D. So pre-multiplying with A and post-multiplying with A inverse. So what you will get? A inverse PA, A inverse is equal to A D A inverse. So this is equal to P is equal to A D A inverse. So we will substitute the value of A D A inverse so as to find the element P13. Clear? So our A is A D A inverse. Our A is 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. D is 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 -1, and A inverse is 1 -1 -1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So multiply these two matrices and we will get one matrix. Then multiply again, we will get the required result. So what we are getting? We are getting, on multiplying these two, we are getting 0 1 -1 0 1 0 0 0 0, and we have the entries 1 -1 -1 0 1 0 0 0 1. So I need this entry. So this row multiplied by this, first row multiplied by second column, first row multiplied by third column. So what will I get? I will get -1. I will get -1. So -1 is my answer. So -1, this is the answer. So thank you very much. If you like this type of videos, please share it, subscribe the channel, and just comment on these videos so that I can improve these videos, or if you want some another matter, then I can upload that also. So please comment on the videos. Thanks to all again.